In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get your local business listed on Google for absolutely free. Now, this method uses something called Google My Business. Now, in order to get here, you simply go to google.com/business. Now, what Google My Business is it helps to promote your business or local businesses on the Google page. So this is exceptionally brilliant for when people are typing in local keywords or local terms, such as plumber near me, yeah, or local plumbers, or local electricians, or electricians near me, or estate agents near me, right? What you'll see on the Google page is when you scroll down, just below, just below the Google Ads section, you'll see a map of the location, and underneath the map you'll see like a couple of businesses listed there. Well, that is the Google My Business listing, and it's absolutely free to get listed within this section here, right? So what you must do again is you must go to google.com/business. You simply enter your business details here. So you enter the name of your business, you enter the telephone of your business, the address of your business, the service that you provide, yeah. And it also helps, what I recommend is upload a few images of your business, and that includes your logo, maybe some photos of the inside of your building, maybe a few photos of the outside of your building, and so on, right? Because hey, pictures speak 1,000 words at the end of the day, right? Okay, so once you've done that, what Google will do is it may ask you to verify your business. So what it may do, it may say, hey, okay, you've told me that this is your address, right? And this is your business name. So what I'm going to do is, in order to verify that, I'm going to send you out a postcard, right? In that postcard, I'm going to post it to you, and it's going to have a code on it, right? And the postcard will be with you typically within like 7 days or so on, right? And then all you do is you wait for the number of days. Once you receive that postcode, it'll have a code on it. You simply go back into your Google My Business account, and then you simply type in your code. Now, the advantage of that is that, the reason for that is because Google has now verified that, hey, this is a legitimate address, it's a legitimate business, right? So therefore, I'm going to include it within my Google My Business section here. Now, the most brilliant thing about Google My Business is, regardless of how many people click on it, you don't pay a penny to anyone. Don't pay a dime to anyone. It's absolutely free. And you'll find yourself, right, that when you are typing in a keyword, which is a local type of keyword, you find that when you see the Google Maps section, it stands out, right? It stands out because it's visual, right, as opposed to just text, right? So you're seeing the text ads at the top, right? And you scroll down and you see this map here, right? When it's got like 3 or 4 businesses listed on that Google page, right? Now, guys, before I carry on, do hit that subscribe button, hit the notifications button, so when I do create new content, you'll be the first to be notified. Yeah. Now, with Google Maps, right, or Google My Business, everybody wants to be on the first page of Google, right? So what you need to do is you need to make sure that you're regularly updating your Google My Business, right? So don't just create your account, get it verified, and then walk away from it, right? You've got to carry on working at it, right? Because those people who are spending their time and energy updating their Google My Business, those are the people that are being listed right at the top, right? So you're not going to be there straight away. It will take a little bit of time to get into Google My Business, but you will be there somewhere. But ideally, you will be on the first page. You see like the first 3 or 4 listings of the Google My Business, yeah? Now, some of the ways in which you can do that is, firstly, get reviews, get Google reviews, right? So there'll be a button within your Google My Business whereby you can send a link to your existing customers to say, hey, look, we helped you the other day, or we fixed your electricity, or whatever it was, whatever service you provide, yeah. Would you mind giving us a review? Okay, and here's the link, by the way, yeah. And the more people that give you a review, right? Firstly, it's going to help you because, hey, if you've got all 5-star reviews, then when your customers are looking for you, they're going to think, you know what, that's the business I want to hire, right? That's the business I want to hire. They can look at all these reviews. They got like 100 reviews and most of them are 5-star, right? Or 4.8 or whatever it is, right? So, and then they'll write their comments, and then people can read a bit about your services. But what that's also doing is it's giving Google signals that, hey, there's something good about this business because they're obviously serving a lot of customers and a lot of people are happy with their service. So if a lot of people are happy with their service, I want to promote these guys a little bit more, right? Okay, so that's one part of it. The other part of it is make sure that you're regularly updating your Google My Business profile. So, log in weekly if you have to, or even daily, right? Or even every other few days, right? Don't just leave it standing, right? You look after Google, Google will look after you, right? That's a good one, actually. You look after Google, Google will look after you. What you need to do is you need to make sure that you're regularly posting offers, you're regularly promoting content, right? What service are you providing, right? What are the offers of the week, the offers of the month, and so on, right? And as a result of that, your Google My profile is being kept up to date all the time. And the more it's being updated, the more Google will pay more attention to you because you're looking after your profile. So why shouldn't Google look after you, right? And one of the other things that I found extremely useful is take photos, right? Take photos of your local business. So while you're providing your service, right, take photos and take it using your mobile phone, ideally with the Wi-Fi switched off, but not on, right? So basically you're using your network's signal in order to communicate now with the internet or whatever, right? And the reason for that is when you take photos with your mobile phone, as well as your phone storing the actual photo, it's also storing something called metadata, which is like hidden pieces of information about where you took the photo from, right? So in other words, one of the most important things it's storing is your location. Where was that photo taken from? Now, if you've got a lot of photos which have been taken locally, in other words, somewhere close to your business or within your business premises, that's verifying to Google and giving Google signals that, hey, this is a real legitimate business and people are coming here, they're taking photos, right, from their area. So therefore, I trust this business a lot more now, right? So take the photos with your mobile phone and then upload it onto your Google My Business profile. There are a whole lot of other ways in which you can promote your Google My Business profile, but I think these suggestions I gave you are really good because it's going to help you to use people be able to find your business using geo terms. In other words, that the service that you provide and location, for example, electricians in Canary Wharf. And it's also going to help you to promote your business more on more proximity type of terms. So, for example, when people are typing in local electricians or near me and so on. So this is where Google My Business is really going to help your local business to get more leads, more inquiries, more valuations, more appointments. Yeah. Look out for my fourth video. Click on the icon here. Look at the fourth video and I'll be showing you another way, a relatively new way to get your local business listed within Google. So guys, I hope you found that useful, and if you did, please do hit that subscribe and notification button and tell me, what's your experience of Google Maps or Google My Business? Have you done it? Do you need any help on it? Have you tried it? How does it work for you? Any sort of comments, I'd love to hear from you, and I will get back to each and every one of you. All right. Take care, guys, and I hope to see you on the other side. Goodbye for now. Thank you.